Tucked into the western edge of Kyoto, Arashiyama is a breathtaking escape into nature, tradition, and quiet wonder. Its most iconic site is the Arashiyama bamboo grove, where towering stalks sway gently overhead, creating a mystical green tunnel that feels otherworldly. The grove isn't just photogenic, it's deeply calming, with the soft rustling of leaves and filtered sunlight offering a sense of peace rarely found in the modern world. Beyond the bamboo, Arashiyama is filled with treasures. The Togesukyo Bridge stretches across the Katsura River, providing stunning views of cherry blossoms in spring and fiery maple trees in autumn. You can explore ancient temples like Tenryuji, a Zen sanctuary with beautifully landscaped gardens, or take a scenic ride on the Sagano Romantic Train, winding through lush valleys and along dramatic cliffs. Arashiyama is where Kyoto's quiet beauty meets the wild poetry of the Japanese landscape.